Modern budget cast iron is known for its pebbled, sand cast texture. Many claim this ruins the non-stick experience. We decided to find out if smoothness actually matters. At Wade Media Labs, we took 5 identical budget skillets and sanded the interiors down to a mirror finish. We moved from 80 grit all the way to 220 grit to create a perfectly smooth cooking surface. There is a technical trade-off. While smooth iron looks better, it's notoriously difficult for seasoning to bite into the metal. We subjected all 5 pans to 3 rounds of oven seasoning to see if the oil would actually bond. We ran the slide egg test against a standard, unsanded control pan. The results were surprising. While the smooth surface felt better under a spatula, the pebbled factory texture actually held onto its seasoning better during high heat searing. Our data showed that after 5 hours of heavy use, the sanded pans required more frequent maintenance to prevent sticking compared to the textured budget iron. The winner wasn't the smoothest pan, but the one with the best balance. For most home cooks, the labor of sanding isn't worth the marginal gains in release performance. Performance is about chemistry and heat control, not just surface texture. See our full grit by grit breakdown, the seasoning logs, and our smoothness versus texture chart at cookwarescout.com.